I wanted to share my real estate book with you. Here it is. I'm very excited. It's in publication and I should be receiving them probably in the next few weeks or so. But in the meantime, you have the possibility of getting your own digital copy. So go ahead and click the link below so you can start reading ahead of time. I can't wait to talk with you and work with you, and we'll talk to you later. Stay tuned. Bye. Here are a few helpful tips that you're going to be getting in this book. I can't wait to share it. One, you're going to read about some of the costly mistakes some sellers have made. Two, together, we're going to generate some marketing tips that's going to get buyers in your house. Two, we're going to discover some ways to get those buyers to fall in love with your house so that way we can get an offer. Four, we're going to price your house competitively, as well as some other wonderful tips to get your home sold so then you can move on to your next journey. And that's why when we're together, we'll go over some of these tips in the selling book. Please make sure you click the link below to sign up for your digital copy. My number is 702-813-9454, and I look forward to seeing you, talking with you, and working with you to get your home sold. Please have a great day. Bye.